I'm sore. Oh, I'm so sore.
Say my pen up.
My pan up.
I gotta. Not for shake it first. Just say, not for shake it.
I was laughing.
Shake well. Go on.
That was an in-throat giggle. Thank you. Okay, so
My pen up.
my like
My
saying
pan.
like if you said it in my language, you'd be like, my pan is up.
Yeah, like my pen is on 100.
That was good.
Thanks.
On 100. Ooh. Okay, my pan up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my pan up.
My leg them. You have to slap your leg with it. My leg them pen up.
That's why you like getting your stomach beat. Y'all just be beating the pan. Dog.
Yeah.
Oh. My leg, my pan up. Oh, you done made it up. Now you beating it. I would never beat a part of my body that hurt. You stub your toe. Oh. My pan up. What if it start to feel better? Did the pain go down? My pan down.
No, girl.
My pan up, my pan down. Bro, look at my bracelet.